Waiting for your Cash App deposit? Here's why it might be delayed and what you can do. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here are some common reasons for deposit delay on Cash App. Number 1 is bank processing time. Even if Cash App sends your money instantly, your bank may take 1 to 3 business days to process and post the deposit. Second, weekend or holiday. Deposit made during weekends or bank holidays usually take longer because banks do not process transactions on these days. Then, verification hold. Cash App may pay a temporary hold to verify your identity or the transaction, especially for the large amounts or unusual activity. Fourth, incorrect account info. If the linked bank account or the routing number is incorrect, then your deposit can be delayed or rejected. 5. Cash App system issues. Technical problems or maintenance on Cash App sites can cause deposit delay. And 6 is security check. Extra security checks can slow down deposit if suspicious activity is detected. And here's what to do if your deposit is delayed. Check your bank account to see if the money arrived. Next, make sure your account info is correct in Cash App. Next, wait for 1 to 3 business days before raising a complaint. And last, contact Cash App support if the delay lasts longer than expected. So that's it. Most delay clear up in a few days, but always double check your info and contact support if you need help. And if this video helped you out, like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.